I met Trey Tolliver in late January 2014. My daughter, Kristen Kelbon, was a soccer and lacrosse player at Bishop Eustace and tore her ACL at the start of the 2013 lacrosse season. She came to Trey after her surgery and physical therapy in order to make it back onto the field for her senior season. Trey worked her hard, and it gave her the confidence that if she could make it through his ACL recovery program, she could withstand the demands of playing lacrosse again. By April 9, 2014, Kristen was back on the field for Bishop Eustace and as fast as ever. At the end of her senior year, Kristen was named First Team All-South Jersey, First Team All-Conference, and the first academic All-American in the history of Bishop Eustace lacrosse. She continued to train with Trey over the summer to prepare for her college career at St. Joe's. This training helped her to make it through fall ball and her first college lacrosse season. Kristen continues to train with Trey each summer to prepare for her college lacrosse season. His connection with the players he trains is unique, and he is always on the cutting edge with his training techniques. Kristen and I highly recommend Trey for not only his expertise in getting players back on the field after ACL surgery, but also for keeping them on the field and improving their conditioning. He truly cares about the athletes he trains. He is a great trainer, and beyond that, a terrific person.